Hey everybody, thanks for checking out our video. Today we have a 2014 Audi A4 Premium Plus S-Line Quattro, 91,000 miles, one owner. Really nice car, inside and out. Well kept, comes with a ton of service records. Got a little bit of a paint missing right there. But overall, she's clean. 4 brand new tires, we just serviced it. Go ahead and take a peek here at the inside. There is one ding here on the back door. I don't know if it's going to show, but a little bit ding there on the back door. See, the inside's clean, sunroof, Premium Plus, so she's loaded up, push button start, backup camera, nav, heated seats. It has 91,826 miles. If this is something you might be interested in, definitely give us a call at 228-438-2056 or shoot us a text. You can email us at theautoconnectllc@gmail.com. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe if you know anybody interested. And if you have any Audi, Volkswagen, or Porsche vehicles that need any kind of service or repair, definitely give us a holler. Thank you for checking out our vehicle.